Tanner Tech. Hello, this is Tanner Tech, and today I'm going to show you a funny video of when I test my RC airplane version 2.0 and it crashes into a streetlight. So this video is really funny. Here we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Well, now my plane's broken, and it doesn't work anymore, but all the electronics are fine. So I'm going to fix this up, fix the problem with the elevators that caused the issue in this video, and I'm going to come back with my airplane version 3.0 soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.